Are you looking for to fix Roblox sign-in error? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily fix this issue. So you might be in the position where you have entered all of your login credentials correctly, but also it says login error. Sometimes it might be because the server is down. In order for you to check it out, head over to Safari and search for Roblox outage. Moving to the very first or the second site. In this page, check whether the server of the application is down or not. If the server is down, then all you can do is wait for the server to get fixed. Once the server has been fixed, now you need to head over to App Store. In the address bar, search for Roblox. Move into this app. Instead of open, if you find the option of update, then click on update and update the app. Once you have updated, now you need to head over to the settings of a device. Move into General. Head over to iPhone Storage. In this page, search for the application Roblox and click on it. Tap on Offload App and once again tap on Offload App. It will clear cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This should definitely fix the issue that you have been facing. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.